Hello, my name is Michael. I'm a customer with Gennex. I'll say comfortably and confidently that Gennex has been the best investment I made this year. Deciding to go solar. Prior to this, business was very hard. In fact, it was difficult to do business. I'm a digital marketer and I know what it is to be online. Like, we had to spend so much on power, so much on generators. Of course, the maintenance not finished, and it was crazy. And there's been this year of, man, I need 24 hours power. Like, I just need it to happen. I was looking for a partner. You get people like a partner with, like, let's do this, solve this power problem together. And fortunately, I stumbled upon Gennex and I put the call through. It was like magic, like when you have this thing in your mind, like, I want to get this thing done and it's just in front of you. Within a week, they contacted me, they connected me with the funding partners, Roaming, and within a week, the payment was made, they were funded, and all the agreements, everything. Like, within a week, my installation was done complete. 3.2 kVA. Now I don't bother about lights, I don't bother about power. Once power goes, Gennex is there. Once there's power, Gennex is there. And the solar system, it works beautifully well. Like, I can power everything in my office, I can power everything in my house. Okay, even my freezers, my microwave, even the pumping machine, it powers it too. And like, you're not afraid. There used to be this fear when you go out, they fear whether lights they like pumping. It's not like that with Gennex. You just go home. That if you're using it in the house, and if it's your office, it is 24 hours. No internet going off, system off, work spoil, all those things. It's not there. And thanks to Gennex crew, the first person I contacted was Vincent. The first person that, if I first approached Vincent, guy, you're awesome, very awesome. And the engineering team, Henry, Emmanuel, Abbas, very awesome. And the best part is, no matter what happens, they're always a call away and they will respond sharp. Like, man, this is the life. I'm already living the life. So if you want to enjoy the life, join Gennex. Contact Gennex today and get your solar solution together.